Alright, I'm so sorry this video is going to be late today. It's probably going to be mostly uncut too because I'm at a loss. I actually have an idea of something I want to talk about, but not so much about what I want to do. So I'm just going to goof around with makeup and like just my eye makeup. And that's going to be the focal point. But the rest of it's just going to be literally just going to do this while I talk to you about my kind of cool idea. See, everybody who's been here for a while, first of all, I'd like to say welcome to all the new people who are here. It brings me so much joy, and believe it or not, many of you see when I can see what YouTube channel you are, because for some reason most of the time you can't see who subscribes to you unless they say I subbed. I have gone to your channels and 99.99999% of the time I've subscribed back, because a lot of times we're doing the same things. It's kind of cool to see the back and forth that happens and everything. It's really fun. So I do that a lot. I subscribe back a lot. So I'm just gonna goof around. I have an idea because I'd love to do something cool for Christmas. And actually the video that would be the Christmas event sort of thing would probably be going out in January. But that's okay. A-okay. I got glitter everywhere. The video I'm thinking about is I would like to see if we could get to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas Day. And if we can, I'm going to put up a poll. And that poll is going to be what I'll do for a video. Now you'll have three options. And I already know the three options, okay? Because I've already gotten the approval from one person who would be part of most of them. Pretty much all of them. From Lost, the husband, the Tim. You know him. You love him. He turns me into a face cake. My idea is, if we get to 1,000 subscribers, Christmas Day, we'll do one of three things. We'll eat a durian, I'll do his makeup, or I'll go and get a tattoo at Euro Tattoo. So if we can get 1,000 subscribers by Christmas Day, by December 25th, 2018, one of those three things will be happening and you get to pick which one. And believe you me, he considers the durian and the makeup getting done to be in equal value to the tattoo. So that tells you how scared he is of that idea. He is not exactly looking forward to that. I have no idea what I did, so I'm just going to start going in with colors. See if I can make a match. So that's my idea. I hope you guys like the idea because it's kind of a neat idea. I'm a little afraid that you'll pick the durian, but you know what, for you guys, you're worth every foot tasted bite. And this isn't a marketing ploy. I don't have any merchandise, so how could it be a marketing ploy? I'm not signed up with anybody because I'm not in California, so you can't. I can't even go on third-party sites and get sponsorships because I don't have, most of them require you to have 3,000 or 5,000 followers, and I'm just like, yeah, right. Even if I could, I probably wouldn't. Because YouTube's not about the money, because there's like no money in it anymore. People don't make any money off this. Anybody see Glam and Gore's new video where she turned herself into the cupcake? That was pretty awesome, and I started giggling so hard because it made me think of Tim turning me into a face cake. I'm gonna kind of try to unicorn this a little bit. Giving too pink. I think it's funny that back in the day we made fun of a lot of makeup, like Mimi Bobek from the Drew Carey Show. You remember that show? If you remember that show, holla to the 90s kids, okay? 80s and 90s kids. But shout out back to that day when everything was like, oh, let's make fun of people who don't look natural. Makeup still had a huge taboo on it. That was back when, there was still a huge stigma against makeup. And to be honest, I think there still is to this day. Like this huge stigma. Where people are like, oh no, you're such a slut if you wear makeup. Or is that just my family? Smoky out the bottom lash level. Or look bruised, whatever. gonna work or it's not. I'm gonna try to pull a hot pink through there. Because there's literally this like neon hot pink that just brings to mind the 80s. And there you go. We did like this weird pink. Makes me think of, who was that? Jewel? Remember her from the 80s? That TV show? I hope you liked this. This was just me goofing around while I talked to you about my idea. Remember, 1,000 subscribers by Christmas Day, and I will either be eating a durian with Tim, doing Tim's makeup, or going to Euro Tattoo and getting a tattoo done. Let me know which is your favorite, because there will be a poll after Christmas Day, and that'll be happening. So please share me, because it's just fun. I'm just doing this for fun. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, because I'm posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, trying to make it at noon, but that's an hour away from now. Bye, see you, love ya, always thinking of ya, have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down, don't let anyone dull your sparkle, and remember, do it with passion or not at all.
I'm going home, I'll never stop. Hey, Ma!